with you, and I'm super excited to share an unboxing from YourCreativeStudio. They approached me to share an unboxing of one of their vintage box. So this one, from what I see, is the January stationery vintage box. It was non-holiday. So I can't wait to see what's in there. From what I saw on the website, they have amazing things. So I will be sharing in the description box below the link to the website in case you're interested in checking it out. So check that out. So pretty. Oh my god, I love the paper. Just so pretty. Look at the beautiful card. I know I will be keeping this business card. So this is a little thank you that they send. So let's open it up and let's try to not damage this precious paper, because obviously I want to keep as much as possible and use all of it because it's just so pretty. Oh, I'm not doing a good job on this. Okay, so I managed, and we will see the full paper. Wow. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so here, find the memory. So these look like stickers. So let's open that up. Well, first I want to take a picture, because I'm gonna be, I don't know how to take the picture, because I do want to be able to have a video tag on this. Here we go. Maybe change that as well. Wow. Just so pretty. So let's do the picture like that, just so I have a picture to share, because I'd like to share it on Instagram as well as a thumbnail. So this is Find the Memory. Can't wait. Tearing into this thing. So these feel like, are these stickers? Yes, they are. They are stickers. So check out the beautiful stickers here. Commissaire à l'information. It's all ads. And super fun. How adorable is that? Caresse de fleurs. Oh my. These are so pretty and so much fun. They're just the right size to add just a tiny little touch to something. Oh wow. And they're what's fun is you get a surprise, which I totally adore, and it's really not that expensive to get the subscription box. So this is Cling Stamp. Oh, let's see what's in there. I love the packaging. Love all the little surprise. Oh, this is a beautiful steam train. So pretty. And then this is another Cling Stamp. You get a lot in that box. And like I said, it's really not that expensive either. So these two beautiful stamps. How fun. Gonna have to make something with them. Maybe I should use this set to make some masculine cards for next week. Because for some reason, to me, like, trains kind of represent more masculine than feminine type of cards. That would be really fun. I love that. Okay, then masking tape, so washi tape, which I adore. I don't need extra washi ever in my life again, but of course I'm tearing this. Okay, well, I'm probably going to use some of this as the backing for some of the cards. Check it out, so pretty. Let's open it up. Where's the start? There it is. Oh, fun, and it's easy to unravel, because sometimes washi tape, I don't know for you, but I have some that it takes forever to try to unravel it, and you break it in the process. Then, what is this? Post box. Huh. So these look like little stickers. They would make really fun little toppers, I believe. There's really quite a variety in this. Open it up. Oops. Oh, it's a little book. Oh, it's a little book. And you have all sorts of... Are those stickers? Retro stamps. So, I do believe you can stick these. Yes, they are beautiful little washi type stickers. How fun. And there's all sorts of landscape and things for like traveling. Oh, this looks so pretty. So fun. Okay, and then you've got this little old paper pad. Love how small it is. It's so tiny. But check it out. Oh, and it's like vellum. Not all of it, but some pieces are like vellum. So you can layer them. And some are opaque. And you have 2 of each, which is so... I love this vellum type of thing. And it's in French. Tu trouveras peut-être tu trouveras peut-être que ma carte est un peu courte, mais tu pardonneras pour cette fois. D'habitude, j'écrivrais. So, yeah, it's in French. It's French text. Oh, I love that it's a mix of both. Oh, and look at the color. Vintagey goodness. Oh my. So great. Okay, for sure I'm making a card making video with this stuff. And here's another washi. Oh. Oh, wow. It has clocks and stuff on it. It has a train, and then it has the clock. See the train here? It's quite long before the design repeats. Love the colors of it. And I'm not putting it back properly. Wow. This is a beautiful subscription box. So if you don't know them, you should go and check them out, because it's really... And it came in super fast after they reached out to me, which I'm always excited, because, you know, sometimes people reach out to you and then it takes a very long time for you to receive what they mentioned. But this was really fast. Actually, they were supposed to tell me that they had shipped it, and I actually got it before they reached out to me to tell me that they had shipped it. So that's really fast. And those are little cards, I believe, globe map. So another little paper pack, but of maps. Oh. this would be perfect for making ATCs as well, or card toppers, which I'm really into. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, let's check out. There's still more goodness in here. I can't believe how much there is in there. Life is only an illusion. Life is not a dream. Destiny. Life is not a dream. Destiny is held in our own hands. Oh, I love that. And that's on, you can actually use that. That's really cool. And it's all little papers. How amazing. Okay, this one I'm not going to put back. Then there's sticky notes. Those are fun post-its. I mean, versus regular sticky. And look at the shape. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And then this is little stamps, the little stickers. They would be perfect as a seal for the card. Like, let's say you make a card with some of these, and then you use that as the seal for the envelope. That would be very cool. And then finally, there's this, which is 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum paper, 6 art paper, 6 pattern paper. They measure 12 by 21 centimeters, which is in inches, because I'm not, no, it's 8 1/4 by 4 3/4. So this is perfect for making cards, like just perfect. There's so many elements in here that you can use. Even the backing is amazing. Like, I love the fact that their backing is packaging is stuff that you can actually use to make stuff. How cool are those? Oh, look at that. That's the same, this very similar pattern as the washi tape. I love that everything it fits together. It's just perfect for card making or whatever making you want. Oh, and look at the vellum. Let's check out the vellum pieces. So great. These would make amazing tip-ins in a journal, because you would kind of see behind, but not fully. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you so much from YourCreativeStudio for wanting to send me this this pack. I love it. I'm very, very excited to use these, and I believe I will be using this for the next card making session of next week, because I think that would be perfect. And I don't have much masculine cards, so that would be great. And check out even like the packaging. How fun is that paper? Like, you could use some of these elements to make cards as well, or in your journals, if you do journaling and that sort of thing. So I'm not gonna close it off properly, because I just want to be able to use it, and I don't want it messed up. But wow, this is a big box of goodies. Big box of goodies. So I really hope that I'm blown away. So I hope you go and check them out, and we will see what I create with this. And I can't wait to make some cards with this. So see you guys soon. Love you so much. Go and check them out. They're in the description box below. And that is it for now. Bye.